we in lecture, it is not for technical session. Rather, we can introduce ourselves. You can introduce yourself, and we can discuss maybe sometime for the collaborations. Um, so maybe you can use the chat box to introduce yourself. You can just type your name, your designation, your affiliation, the institute you are working. Yeah. So yeah, yeah. That is today's plan. So I'll start from from me. Um, I'm Sabil. I'm working as assistant professor in BITIP University in Department of Chemistry, so in the chemistry faculty. Um, so we have a workstation. We have research facility over here. So somebody is looking to uh, to work with the workstation. Definitely, they can contact us. Um, yeah, we have to book the slot. We have to do some internal things, the approval. So we need some time to take that approvals and all. But yeah, those who are especially near um, the Vijayawada side, they can uh, only prefer. Yeah, so now that's it. So now, um, yeah, I'm handing over the floor is quite open, so you can switch on your mic. If you can switch on your camera, and you can introduce yourself, uh, and you can discuss uh, the things. If you are okay to collaborate, that you can tell. If you, I mean, this collaboration can be experimental, or sometimes uh, the using some instruments, or it can be some of the participants I can see they are from computational background. So if they can mention what are the computational tools they are using, and how they can collaborate with other people, that can also mention that. Yeah, so as I mentioned, the computational thing, I am also working with computational um, calculations, especially DFT calculations. So we have Gaussian here in our university. Um, so yeah, work. I'm working on Gaussian, as well as it's a little bit chemistry. It's not solid state DFT, rather it is. Um, it's mainly liquid and gaseous state. So we do the molecule level DFT, as well as we do some molecular dynamics. We have uh, Chromax on our server, so we do DFT, especially if you are looking for Gaussian Chromax. Uh, we can, I mean, yeah, we can help you. Yeah, that's from my side. So anybody wants to add, or if so, it's open. So it's an open platform. Um, so you can unmute yourself. You can switch on your video. We are preferring that, but it's up to you. And you can introduce yourself. Yeah, who will start?
Sabil, shall I start?
Yeah, definitely. So, please.
Okay, so good morning to everyone. Uh, I am Dr. Anil Echen from Department of Chemistry, Siddhaganga Institute of Technology. So the
Um, the voice is breaking. I don't know whether it's for me only or others. Anil sir,
Uh,
Anil sir,
Siddhant
can you repeat? We couldn't hear you.
Institute of Technology is located in Tumkur. It is just around 80 kilometers away from the Bangalore. Is it okay now? Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah, now it's
Yeah.
fine.
Now you are.
Yeah, now it's fine. Now it's fine. So you are somewhere nearby the Bangalore. That's what we heard.
Yeah, so I'm
Yeah.
working as assistant professor in the Department of Chemistry. So my area of research work is in the materials chemistry mainly. So I am working in the development of ion exchange membranes for the fuel cells and redox flow batteries. So I completed my PhD in South Korea, Incheon National University, and 1 year postdoc in Korean Institute of Science and Technology in the fuel cell department. So now I am working. I have completed two projects. One which is from the DST Serb, and one more is ongoing project that is from the government of Karnataka. So in the SERB project, what we did is we have developed some novel polymer membranes for the fuel cell applications and also the redox flow batteries. And now in the government of Karnataka project, that is the VGST project, what we are doing is the commercially available ionic liquids is of single cation and single anion. Again, these ionic liquids are very important material for the energy storage devices, and uh, uh, with the expertise in my chemistry background and the organic chemistry. So now what we are doing is we have synthesized some of the novel ionic liquids which carries the multiple positive charges and the negative charges, so that can enhance the properties or any conductivities of the materials that may be used in the energy storage devices. And recently, we have started some of the work regarding the electrocatalyst deposition on some filter paper, cellulose paper filter papers, and that can be used for supercapacitor applications and all those things. And still, I am started as a supercapacitor application. Still, we are not yet done any applications in the supercapacitors or HER or OER. And I want to collaborate regarding HER or OER or supercapacitor applications. So this will be my brief introduction, and I am really
Yeah, Anil sir, yeah, we got almost the things you said, but in between, there are some audio issues too. But I think
Yeah,
we got almost the things you said. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah,
because
it's a great.
due to the cyclone here, it is very cloudy and it's raining actually here.
Okay, okay. Yeah, some of the areas are. Yeah. But I think yeah, we got uh, most of the things you said. The your research field and the projects you are carrying out. Yeah, and the things you are looking forward. I think that these are all very clear.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah, Anil sir, you can share your email ID um,
sure. Yeah,
in
yeah.
the chat
I
box.
will do it
People
now.
asking that.
Yeah.
Uh, yes, thank you so much, sir. Um, yeah. Any other people they want to add anything?
Sir, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Hi.
Sir, this is Chetan Chauhan, Dr. Chetan Chauhan. So, I have just idea about the electrochemical analysis regarding the conventional methods. So, I'm not dealing now presently with the system which you have demonstrated in the workshop. But I want to carry out the research in the cohesive field, just like using certain plant extract of different wild species. So, is there any possibility for the collaboration, or we can have some more information regarding the investigation how to carry with this electrochemical workstation?
Yeah, I can suggest a couple of people for this. I know some people who are working with the phytochemicals and its corrosion nature. Yeah, definitely we can discuss. And the one of the resource person in our workshop, Yoganandan sir, he also working with the corrosion, but not the fighter, but he's working with extensively. He's working with corrosion, various materials, and various corrosion applications. Um, yeah, I think he can also help you to set up something. But I know some people who are working with phytochemicals and its corrosion. That's yeah. We can connect. I can give some leads to for that. Yeah,
Okay, thank you. So, you can just share if you have some email ID, you can share.
definitely. Yeah, definitely. You can maybe you can send a WhatsApp message, or you can drop an
Okay, sir.
email to us, and we,
Okay, okay.
because before sharing their number or email ID, I want to talk to them first. Uh, yeah, so then I'll definitely give their contact number.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very
Yeah. So is there anybody can add into this point? I mean, Chetan sir would like to do some corrosion studies on petrochemicals. Um, so is I know some people, but if other people know some you are doing, or you know some people who are doing that, you can also add that one here. And Chetan sir, you have electrochemical workstation, or you are looking for an electrochemical workstation?
Actually, sir, we have just purchased last month, so it is not still operational. I think it is of a biologist, like that
That is
companies.
okay. No. That is okay. You have one workstation. That is important.
Yeah, so that's why I
And
want to
it's
explore this field,
yeah.
and that's
So
why I'm attending this workshop.
okay. Now I yeah got your point. So yeah, you have a workstation. So you just need to start. So you just need you have a starting trouble. That's it. You just need to
Yeah, yeah,
start it. Yeah, that's
yeah.
okay. And then everyone has that one, so it's fine. Yeah, then I think even Yoganandan sir can help you because he is a good mentor. He said he can guide some people to set up the corrosion and supercapacitor lab if they have, especially if they have workstation, and if they are struggling to start the research, he can help you. That is what during our conversation he mentioned in that way. So maybe he can uh, we can arrange some meetings with, when we'll just connect, then you can contact him and you guys can arrange some meetings, and maybe you can share how, I mean, what are the things you have to take care that you don't, I think he can give you more idea. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, I am from CSR Simper. I am working on water purification technique and hydrogen generation from electrochemical method. So, if there any work, and then please support me.
Um, yeah, Freedom, if you can, yeah, we understood in a broader way what you are working, which field you are working on. It's water purification techniques, isn't it? Uh, so what kind of help you said? I mean, at that part I couldn't understand, or I may miss that point. Uh, so can you specify the things?
Sir, I am working on hydrogen generation by using electrolysis. So, we can how can use better electrode, anode, and cathode to make perfect.
Yeah, I am not in that field. So maybe some other people, if they know something, they can add. And as it is, the electrode fabrication, I think that is what you are looking for, right? Electrode fabrication. Um, yeah, maybe, uh, no, maybe you can talk to Shafi. I think all the resource persons contact information you have. If you don't have, we can share that one in the coming, or in the next email. We'll mention those details, their email IDs. Um, so yeah, yeah, definitely you can go through their profile and you can contact them.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
I'm Amsini, sir, from Bangalore, Christ University. I'm a research scholar, first year. Now, my objective of work is preparing an ionic liquid with adding a third substrate to it and you doping with a polymer and fabricate it. And that material is used for the electrolyte or separators in the battery materials. We have only workstation, but battery setup and all we don't have to check charging, discharging.
So you're saying a battery cycler.
Yes, sir.
Um, so Anil sir, are you in this field, or as she mentioned
Yeah,
the
yeah, I am in the batteries field, but again, what is the problem here is we are not exploring that much because you know that I am a faculty and I am not having any student. So whatever we require, whenever I am free, I will do that. But again, we need to explore it more because I am having one a biologic SP200 electrochemical workstation. It is very good machine, but again, due to some issues of that electrochemical workstation, I'm not exploring that more because of due to this workload of the faculties and all those things. Yeah.
Yeah, that is another thing. See, sometimes
Yeah. For the faculties, it will be
we
very
have
difficult. Yeah.
yeah, we have a
Yeah.
lot of n number of things we have to do there. So Hasini, I think you're also from Bangalore Christ, isn't it?
Yeah,
So
yes,
you
sir.
are in
And
Bangalore.
my
Anil sir
yeah,
also somewhere nearby Bangalore, so you can discuss. So if you are looking, see, Anil sir need a person to do the things. You need instrument, and that Anil sir has. Anil sir know the
Yeah.
things.
Yeah.
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 So
Sure. Definitely.
this is,
100%.
yeah, I
100%.
think this is what we are looking for. The same place, geographically same place, and the vice versa people. Yeah, Hasani, you can contact Anil sir. Anil sir already shared his contact, his email ID.
yeah,
Uh,
sure, sir. I wrote down that I will
yeah,
contact Anil,
yeah,
sir.
So
I can contact you.
yeah, I'm also sharing my phone number also. So those who want to do the work, they can contact.
Yeah, sure, sir. And my guide is pure organic synthesis. Is multi-component. He will work on multi-component single pot reactions. Is trying to do means including that organic synthesis and using in a battery materials.
Okay. So you just write your like an abstract to me. So not in detail. At least if you write in any Word file, what is your motivation of the work and what is your novel like an abstract, so that I can go through that abstract, and then if from my side, if you require any help, definitely I can help you.
Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I will soon
Yeah.
contact you.
Sure. You are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
yeah. Dr. Sariga madam, if you can, I read your message. Some people may not uh, read it, so if you can unmute yourself and explain, that'll be great.
Hi all, I'm Sharila. I work as a postdoctoral fellow at Center for Renewable Energy and Materials, University of Kerala. I'm actively engaged in alkaline hydrogen evolution reaction. Right now, I am using transition metal-based compounds for HCR. And we have workstation here. We also had a battery tester. And now, those who want to contact me, I have send my email ID, so you can feel to contact me. And now I am planned to shift to batteries, especially metal ion batteries. So I am quite new to this field. So I am actively looking for some collaborators in the battery field. So anyone working this field can uh, send their contact details so that I can contact them.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Meghna. I'm a research scholar from Maharashtra, and I'm looking for electrochemical station in Maharashtra itself. So, if there is any student or any teacher available here who can allow me to perform those things on electrochemical station, please allow me to. Thank you.
Yeah. So anybody from Maharashtra, Bombay side? Yeah, maybe we can look at our participants maybe registration list. Um, as of now, I don't know. I know some people in IIT Bombay, but they are not in this workshop. Maybe I can, yeah, I can ask to them people, some people.
Okay, thank you, sir. It would be great.
Yeah, let me try. I mean, it's not a confirmation, but I know. So, but
Okay,
see,
sir.
the thing is, um, in that places, the machine, it's quite difficult to get the the availability of the machines. Um, yeah, so I don't know. Um, uh, Hi, sir. Mukesh, sir.
Yeah, my name is Omkar, sir. So I'm a research scholar. So at Bangalore, so we do have electrochemical workstation. So if the samples are sent, we can optimize and send back the results. So yeah, there is a possibility like if anyone is interested in or around Bangalore, if anyone wants to work. So we do have a electrochemical workstation of CH 63008. I doubt that we don't have corrosion studies, but charge discharge and all those kind of studies can be done with us.
Wow, that's great. Maybe, Mukesh, sir, you can share your contact information in the chat box so people can uh, contact you. That's a great thing. See, doing even it need not be in the same city. The other people, even Magna, people can look for this, and it's great. People are coming forward to offer the help. Mukesh, sir, you can share your contact information in the chat box. Uh,
Sir, here I'm unable to write the
oh, really?
message. I don't know why. So
Oh,
I'll share it on the WhatsApp group, sir.
yeah,
No.
yeah, that will also work. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So maybe if anybody wants to ask any question to Mukesh, sir, please,
Morning, sir.
because yeah, he said something, so it's good
Uh,
if you can also add something. Yeah, yes, madam, please.
Good morning, sir. I'm Namita from Odisha. I'm looking for supercapacitor battery work. Please guide me how to start the work. Already have done my PhD work on water splitting. I'm very comfortable with electrochemical workstation. And my question is electrochemical workstation can be used for supercapacitor work? Please help me.
Um, yeah, I think you have a workstation,
Yes, sir.
and
I as for electrochemical
and
work.
yeah,
H37.
you want to explore the supercapacitor field too, isn't it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so maybe I can see a couple of people here uh, in the same thing. I mean, they have the facilities, but as they are switching the field, or they want to explore the other field, they have some starting trouble. Uh, so maybe I can ask if anybody here they are ready to mentor the people. Maybe we can discuss that one. You can just drop an email to us, and you can just mention you are ready for mentoring the other people, and definitely we can discuss the terms and conditions.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Um,
Is there any interns program for interns program in summer?
no, this mentoring program we are planning. Actually, we do some mentoring program for computational works, but it's online program. So there will be a mentor. They will be the expert. So the other side, they have the facility or they want to explore that field, but somehow or due to uh, a proper guidance, they are sticking in their field. So so to address this thing, we started a mentoring program. Mentor, it's purely online process. So the mentor, there'll be one mentor for one person. It
Yes.
is like a senior in our group, research group. So we can ask the doubts to mentor. Mentor can guide. They can say, okay, do this thing, this thing, this thing. Uh, I mean, it is not mentor will not do uh, the research problem. However, you need a research problem. Like you have some difficulty to do something. It can be synthesis. It can be characterization. It can be doing some application, uh, or it can be running something. So the mentor will be in that domain, and there will be we did it for 3 months. So weekly once there will be a meeting. So they an official meeting, and apart from that, the mentor will share their number so they can have a conversation. and they can discuss their problem. So this is the this is what we meant by the mentoring program. Um, yeah, so maybe if anybody here they would like to act as a mentor uh, to others, they can drop a mail to us, and definitely we can discuss how we can do it more effectively. Yoganandan sir, actually he interested in mentoring program. Uh, he interested in supercapacitor as well as corrosion. So these two are his domain. So he said he can mentor some people. Um, so the mentor, as a mentor, he will give the instruction. So if you are facing some issues, especially if you have a workstation and you want to set up the things, the mentor will help, whoever that mentor. So we'll update that mentor details in our website. The process is we will update the things in our website. So there will be a mentor details, and we will mention which domain he is expert. Let's say supercapacitor, corrosion, or in some computational thing. So we will mention that one, and other people can approach them, and they can enroll this mentoring program. So others will be mentee, and usually we do this program for 3 months. So any participants who are willing to mentor other people, they can definitely contact us, and then we can discuss the terms, uh, and then yeah, we can. So this also we are noting down. Maybe we can also update the things. So if any other people who can help Namida madam, please forward, and you can also add it.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, this is Lena Hublikar. I'm in from Karnataka, Kele Technological University, Hubli, and I've been working on the lithium-ion batteries actually. Still now, I want some other collaborative works for. Actually, I've been synthesizing the nanomaterials, and I've been using for that one for the application for the batteries itself. And then in future I wanted to the I need the guide of you also, and the other collaborators who wanted to share their views with me there for a collaboration there in future. And we got one ch instrument in our laboratory. I'm
Uh,
Dr. Lina Hoblikar, working as a assistant professor here in the Keli Technological University of Hubli.
Hi, Lina madam,
Yes, sir.
can you
Ha, sir.
specify the collaboration? What kind of?
So the thing is, already we have been, I'm been getting the students of PhD students also. The thing is, I wanted to learn more about the battery application, that is modifications of those nanoparticles, and in future I wanted to go with some, then that is the green synthesized nanoparticles for the application of these batteries. And I've been starting with in shortly with some startups also based on the battery applications there. That's why I need your help actually, sir. And in future, in anybody the collaborator needed to be, I've been very happy for the publications also, and to do the work modifications of those nanomaterials for.
That's great. That's great. Yeah, definitely
Yeah, sir.
we'll keep in touch.
Yeah,
So
sir.
anybody wants to add in to this what Lina madam said?
Hello, sir.
The yes,
Hello,
yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
sir. I am from Dr. Devdas Mano, Situkano, West Bengal. Okay, sir. I am a field. I am working in the coordination chemistry. Just prepare metal complexes. I would need a collaborator to for coercion study and hydrogen evolution study. Anyone help me?
I think that is what um, I forgot his name. Sorry. Some people said maybe you can share your sample. So you have materials. Most of our people, participants are working with nanomaterials. So they're also looking for maybe some different materials that has more activity. So yeah, definitely. Uh, I think there are already some people already mentioned. They can send you a sample to them, and they will do some studies. The first optimizations and all they can do. Yeah. So yeah,
Sir, I'll put a mail for you, and so if it has been needed, anybody needs that collaboration there, I'm been very happy to do that.
sure, sir. Sure, madam. Sure, madam.
Yes, yes, sir.
And that was
I,
yeah,
I'll be calling you again for if you have not been minding therefore.
definitely.
May I
I'm
call
very
you
happy.
later
We
on
are
or
happy.
see?
Yeah,
Sure, sir. Right.
yeah,
Thank you, sir.
Uh, Sir, I would like to ask,
yeah.
do you
Mukesh,
have
sir. Yeah,
yeah, do you, my name is Omkar, sir. Yeah, yeah. So I wanted to ask, do you have XPS facility and all with you, or how is it?
uh, yeah. We don't have actually. Yeah.
Stick.
Anybody else? Actually, we used to send to other people. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, Omkar sir. So that's sir. You can contact Omkar. He already mentioned. I think you will share Omkar sir. You will share your details in WhatsApp group. That's what you said, right?
It's already done.
Oh, it's
Already done.
already done. Sorry. I didn't say that.
No, no
Yeah,
worries. No.
yeah. Omkar Mukesh. Yeah. Uh, yes. So the actually exploring in different materials. Actually, nowadays I can see a couple of works on, or a lot of works on coordination metals and its applications. So maybe that is another interesting field people can explore. Hi, Anita madam, uh, can you unmute yourself and give this explanation? Because some people, I think they are missing this chat box. Even I also hardly sometimes I also miss the chat box. Sorry for that. So it's good if you can unmute yourself and explain the things. Anita madam. Hope everyone can read the chat box, right? So Anita madam, she commended. She's assistant professor of chemistry. She's working with MDT Hindu College. Um, they are working on photo degradation of drugs, especially those who would like to work in that field. Photo degradation of drug, supercapacitor, and H2 storage applications. Anita madam is there to help. Um, So they having lab for fabrication of polymer nanocomposites. However, they are looking for SEM, TEM applications. We have some machines for the characterization, but the problem is it's got busy. I mean, it's quite difficult to get the slots. But yeah, definitely we can help you for that too. Yeah. So
Sabil
anybody?
sir,
Yes.
myself Anil again.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yes.
I hope you and Gaussian to the FTs to know about the LUMO and HOMO energies and
Definitely.
electrostatic potential diagram, electronic cloud. Am I correct with you? Okay, so I'm having a little bit of some monomers,
Yes. We have.
so that so
Sure.
please pin your email ID. So definitely I will share the list of monomers. So I
Definitely.
need some DFT studies. I think I want we will collaborate, and then our result will be published in good journals. Yeah.
Definitely. I'm looking forward that one, and happy to do that. just shared my email ID
Yeah,
in the WhatsApp. I mean, in
and
chat box.
and also and also and also, if I am not wrong, we can go in depth studies of DFT studies for all the monomers without having doing any lab work. That will be also very result in very good publication. If anyone who is having full
Definitely.
on that
I think
DFT studies, yeah.
during the discussion, somebody said they are working on the computational. I forgot. Prince.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, are you here? Yeah. So
Hi, I'm
you,
here. Can you hear
yeah,
me?
you are working on computer. That's what I mean. I just heard sometimes. You mentioned
Yeah.
you are working on the computational things. Can you
Okay.
can you
So
add
I have.
little things here? Yeah.
Okay. Just give me 5 minutes. I'm
Sure.
making like one page slide so that I
Oh,
get
really?
introduced.
Hey,
I can.
that's
Yeah.
yeah, that's great. That's great. Yeah, that's great.
Just 5 minutes. Okay.
Sure, 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 sure. Yeah. Um, yeah. Um,
Sir, good
sir,
morning.
yes,
Hello.
yes.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Arijita Pal, and I'm from Assam. I'm working as a faculty in a professional college in Assam. I'm very new to this field, and I'm actually trying to enter into this field in the field of electrocatalysis, actually for HER, OER studies. But the problem is that I don't have the workstation. So, can anyone collaborate and help me in this regard?
You have Omkar. He mentioned that one earlier. So if you have some samples, first you can talk to. He shared his contact information in our WhatsApp group.
Okay, actually, sir, right now
Omkar.
I'm traveling, so there
It's
is
okay.
some
It's okay.
issues in internet
Yeah, okay, it's
connectivity.
fine. Anyway, so Omkar sir said they can test some of the samples and yeah, the initial testing they can do. So they have the workstation, they have the facilities in their institute. So
Okay, sir.
maybe
I
you
will
can contact
mail.
them. Yeah, you can contact them. He's in the WhatsApp group. So maybe you can
Okay.
have a conversation before sending the samples and what are the things he can do and what are the things you are looking for. And
Yeah.
your field, is it in nano or any other material?
Yeah. It's in nanomaterial. I'm working in waste remediation. I mean wastewater remediation studies and organic transformation reactions. But slowly now I'm just trying to move into the field of electrocatalysis like that.
And you are from Assam. I don't know if you want to do it, all these things. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Is there any other people who are in near field? They can they can contribute. I
Okay,
don't know
so
anybody from Assam. Sorry for that.
okay. So can I
Uh,
mail Omkar sir for that?
you can have a
Something.
discussion. He's in the WhatsApp group, so maybe
Okay.
you can message him. He shared his email ID.
Okay.
So maybe I don't know what exactly. I mean, you can discuss. I think that there
Okay.
is nothing wrong.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi, yes, Rajesh sir.
Hi, sir. This is Rajesh Katru, a research scholar, second year from NIT Warangal. And right now I am working on supercapacitors, especially transition metal disulfides as electrode materials. And we also have workstation available here. And besides, we have three professors combined lab where we are working on energy, materials, and devices mainly based on photoluminescence and also TENG. One of the sessions we had a brief introduction on TENG, triboelectric nanogenerators. So we have a full-fledged setup on TENG also. Already 3-4 theses are also out from our labs. And I also want to explore more on this transition metal based materials for electrodes. If anybody can help, it will be a great help. And moreover, they can also contact us based on our resources available. We will be really helpful regarding workstation or collecting the data, just like some others were asking for workstation. Surely we will do. We will help. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rajesh, for adding this. So you can also share maybe in WhatsApp group uh, your contact information. Then people will remember, okay, and people will contact. And it's great. There are many people in from your side itself, and yeah, you can also share
Sir,
your details.
yeah, hello.
Yes.
Sir, can you connect me to someone working on molecular dynamics and something like that? Because I'm trying to enter molecular dynamics. So,
Actually,
and
Prince, I think Prince is working something. Maybe soon he will share his screen.
okay, okay.
Yeah, so molecular dynamics is a little broader field. So you can specify what kind of molecular dynamics. So it's material dynamics we are talking about, right? So if it
Correct,
is
correct,
some
correct.
application, so if
So
you
we
have
do use
any
lamps
software
and
in
all.
LAMP, yeah. So we are going to organize one workshop on LAMPs, uh, some fluid dynamics, computational calculations on
Yeah,
lamps.
like
So I know
for
a couple of people they are working on lamps.
yeah.
Uh,
If you could
yeah,
connect me, I'll just drop ping you on
definitely,
WhatsApp,
definitely.
sir. So you can
Sure,
connect
sure,
me
sure.
ahead.
Yeah, yeah. We have one professor who is working on lamps. I can definitely connect. I can talk to him first, and I'll connect you.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. Thank you, thank you.
yeah. Anida, madam, please.
Good morning, sir. This is Anita from Tamil Nadu, Tirunelveli, sir. We are working on nano composites, and we here in our college we have fabrication facilities. But regarding testing and characterization, we have to move on. So it will be helpful if there is any collaboration work with other institute. I drop my details in the WhatsApp group, sir. Scholars are working with us, and we have publications in Elsevers, and work is going on. But for characterization, we have no facilities. We have to move on to other colleges and other district. So it will be helpful if anyone is able to support us.
Yeah. So most of the people may, I mean, some of the people may have this characterization facility, but as I mentioned earlier, it's quite difficult to get the availability because there are a lot of
Mm.
people to use that thing. There'll be a
Mm.
big queue with all the instruments.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
but yeah, we'll try to connect you with some people. But
Okay,
you have to
sure, sir.
understand that especially these things will not happen that quickly. So they have to. There will be a queue. I mean,
Yes,
and
sir.
for internal and external samples, there will be separate queue.
Yes,
So
sir.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
we'll connect with
It's
people. Yeah,
sure, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you. Thank you. I will drop the information in the WhatsApp group, sir.
sure, madam. Sure.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Prince. Once you are ready, you can share your screen. Okay.
Yes, I'm ready. I can share.
Okay then. Please. Meantime, we are about to conclude the session. So we will take one group photo at the end. So please ready for that one too. Ready to switch on your camera. So yeah, we'll take that one group photo. Yeah, please. Princess, please.
Hope you can see my screen fully.
Yes, yes, yes. We can. We can.
Yeah. So let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Golapalli Prince. I am currently a postdoc in Technion, Israel. So I'm working on not the like molecular dynamics, but the first principles calculations or ab initio calculations. So my focus is mostly on renewable energy. So since I am not a faculty member yet, I'm a postdoc. So this is too early for collaboration, but I can like help if someone wants some help in like getting started, something like that. So one advantage of first principles is we see everything in terms of atoms. So electrons and nucleus and how this interactions happens, and this needs some supercomputers to do. So here I show one property like density of states, and we can understand if I have a material, if I dope something, what's happening, how does the band gap changes, and then if their defect states are there. So these are some of the things which we can do. And also we can develop a fundamental understanding from an atomic picture, because when you have a big sample and then when you do like HER or OER reactions, you will just see some bubbles coming out, but you do not know, like if I replace with other material, what happens, what is the reaction mechanism. So these kind of a fundamental things you can do, and this does not need any input from the experiments. These are like parameter free, everything comes from electronic structure. So this is the one advantage of DFT calculation. We use WASP code, which is a paid, but there's a quantum espresso, which someone already know, which is the free version. Yeah, so that's all about me. So just about me, I have all the degrees in metallurgical and materials engineering. I'm not from a chemistry kind of a background, but from my PhD onwards, I started using DFT. So yeah, I have BTech from IIT Warangal, ME from IISc Bangalore, and PhD from IIT Madras. So now I'm postdoc. So if you have any questions regarding the DFT, or if you want to just get started, I can just help you.
Sir, actually, we are trying to do quantum espresso in our lab, but input file and that CIF file always fails. So if you can help us out in that, would be good.
Okay. Yeah. So you can write to me like email. So it's my technique. You can just send me in a Gmail. It is much better because
Yeah,
this technique.
yeah.
Yeah. After I graduate here, it will be done. So send me an email. I can help
Hello, hello, sir.
you.
Sir,
Yes.
this is work for inorganic molecules like transition metal oxides for hydrogen evolution.
Can you speak a little bit? I cannot hear.
She is
Sir,
asking,
it's your
she has some metal oxides, whether
Okay.
you can do some calculations on metal oxides.
Okay. So what kind of a calculation?
that is DOS, like density of states. And in some paper, I got to see that they calculate delta G values for hydrogen adsorption.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
is it possible to work on transition metal oxides?
Yes, it is possible.
Okay. I contact many on, but they said that they are using organic molecule and they don't have any software inorganic molecule like transition metal oxide MXD. So they said like
You can use the quantum espresso, which works on all the
Maybe the
periodic
people,
systems.
madam, contacted maybe from
Okay.
chemistry background, or they are working on solid or liquid gas DFTs. So solid DFTs are possible, madam. So,
Yeah,
there
yeah.
is a-
okay.
And
Maybe you can
for
contact me by
one,
email. So I
yeah,
will just send in the chart also.
Okay, thank you, sir.
I just sent in the chart.
yeah, for a kind information, we organized one workshop on quantum espresso. So if anybody wants to get that recordings, you can drop a mail. And we also setting up one computational calculation facility. So that will be open to all. So remotely you can access it. You can run your calculation. We will install the softwares over that server, so people can use that facility. So maybe November or December we will launch that facility. uh, so most of the people, they know the things, but they don't have a facility to run the calculation. They need somewhat bigger server or computer to run the jobs. So we are working on that. That is under pipeline. It's too early to announce it, but yeah, maybe in November or December we will launch that that facility from CRs. Yeah. Yeah, that also we can update coming months. And Prince sir, thank you so much for sharing the information. We will definitely
Okay.
keep in touch. We are also looking for some people for WASP and all. So definitely we will keep in touch.
Yes, yes, that would be good. Yeah.
Yeah. So is there anybody who wants to add anything extra or? So we are requesting to switch on the camera. So we'll take one photo. And yeah, and few more things as we said in the last session. Today we will share the feedback form. So please fill the feedback form. It's very important for us to understand to make it better. We are always trying to make it better than the previous workshop. So we are keep on working on that. So please give your suggestions. Be honest to give the feedbacks. You can also upload your photo, and we may use that photo to post it in our website as the testimonials. Yeah, so please, if you are in a position to switch on the camera for a minute, please, we are taking a screenshot. Yes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, cheese. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, we'll meet in coming days. Thank you so much. And we'll share the feedback form soon, maybe today afternoon itself. And you can expect your certificate on Monday or on Tuesday. So we are sending it batch wise. So mostly, yeah, on Monday or Tuesday, you can expect it. Thank you so much. Yeah, another thing, yeah, it's about the WhatsApp group. So we will usually will not close the WhatsApp group. That will be active. So yeah. Anil sir, please.
Savil sir, is it possible to send the resource person's presentation